taking measurements and learn SketchUp. Not so bad. I fear my table saw, so I'll use my Ryoba saw instead. Measure, 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 clamp, saw, saw, turn, clamp, saw, more sewing, sewing. First piece fits. Measure, mark, 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 more marking, mark, more marking, marking, clamping, sewing, sewing, clamping, sewing, more sewing, more sewing. Second piece finished. Second piece fits. Wooden stock dogs. Marking, marking, more marking, measurements, more marking, cut markings, more markings, marking, 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 clamping, and sewing. Sewing, rubber sewing, sewing, clamping, clamping, sewing, 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 turning, clamping, more sewing, kind of sewing, almost there, sewing, second piece, sewing, more sewing, sew. Then hours and hours in SketchUp, testing design after design after design, until SketchUp crashed. Great. And my elevator won't take 2.5 meters sheetwood. Anywho, to be continued. Thank you for watching.
If you like my videos,
feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.